guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this audio we are going to learn about auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is also known as supporting verb. There are a lot of auxiliary verb, but today we are going to discuss about is, am and are. So we are going to discuss about is, am and are. Now let's proceed. As we all know that subjects are divided into two categories, singular and plural. According to it, we use auxiliary verb. So if your subject is singular, suppose he, she, it, Ramu, any name, maybe Ritu, Vinay, Pooja, Seema. So this is all singular subject. Whenever it comes to singular subject, we use is auxiliary verb. When plural subject comes, we use are. What is plural subject? When we talk about more than one person, or we can say when we talk about the third person, and third person in the plural forms, okay, many. So we, you, they are all auxiliary verbs. Now there is also one category, first person. First person means I, means मैं, am. Okay, whenever we are using I, we use am auxiliary verb. Let's proceed towards examples. So, first example is Sunil is a good boy. Here Sunil is a singular. That's why we use is. It is hot today. Here it is singular. That's why we are using is. I am a student. I here refers to a first person. That's why we are using am. She is a housewife. Now you get all the bullet points. He is a watchman. We are playing cricket. We refers to plural subject. That's why we are using are. Rekha is reading a book. They are football player. Sunita is singing a beautiful song. I'm not able to do that. There is something new for you. So this is a chart of subjects, and in which you will come to know about which subject is singular and plural. Okay, and what we have to use. Okay, as I already told you, whenever we are using singular subjects, we put is. So these all subjects are singular. Okay, each, any, anything, anybody, everyone, everything, everywhere, everybody, somebody, something, someone. These all are singular, and because of singular we are going to use is. Please like, share and subscribe,